Unistone proudly presents Claystone Porcelain Stone Cobbles, designed for exterior landscape and hardscape paving. Claystone is available in 4 different size formats: 110 by 210 millimeter, 160 by 160 millimeter, 200 by 200 millimeter, and 200 by 300 millimeter, with 4 distinct textures: Stonia, Sandblast, Linea, and Smooth, and 3 thickness options: 12 millimeter for pedestrian movement, 16 millimeter for light vehicular traffic, and 20 millimeter for heavy vehicular traffic to suit the intended load conditions. Different color series, offering 18 authentic rustic shades. Terracotta series, which offers light terracotta, medium terracotta, and dark terracotta. Gray series offers light gray, medium gray, and dark gray. Brown series offers light brown and dark brown. Dulpour series offers Dulpour, dark Dulpour, and Cotswold. Red Granito series offers light red granito and red granito. Gray Granito series offers sand gray granito and gray granito. And Platinum series offers ash gray and charcoal. Unistone Claystone combines natural charm with modern strength, offering a durable, low-maintenance, and sustainably manufactured paving solution with 4 size formats, 3 thickness options, 4 textures, and 18 authentic rustic shades, perfect for any outdoor landscape or semi-indoor space. Unistone elevating architecture with timeless design.